So we were reviewing D. So I have 5 over 1, keep, change, flip, times 5 over 2. And what that gives us is 25 over 2, which if right now it's improper, if I wanted to turn this into a mixed number, I would divide 25 by 2, which gives me 12, and I'm left with 1/2. All right, last problem set. Find the area of each triangle. I'll do A, you do B and C. What I know is that the area of a triangle equals base times height, BH, divided by 2, or 1/2 base times height. This is the same thing. So area of A. I'm going to type so it's a little more legible here. I know that area is going to equal base times height, which is 5 is my base. My height has to be at a right angle, so I have 5 divided by 2. So that gives me 25 divided by 2, 25 halves, which, if I were to simplify it, is going to give me 12 and 1/2. So that is my answer for A. Okay. On your own, try B and C. All right, let's review. We will start with B. I know that the area for a triangle is base times height divided by 2, or 1/2 base times height. So here I have base of 4, height of 3, divided by 2. So that's going to give me 12 divided by 2, which we can do that one in our heads. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So B, the area is 6. C, area is going to be base times height divided by 2. So for C, I have a base of 4. I have a height of 4 divided by 2. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 divided by 2, we can do that one in our heads as well. That's going to give us 8. All right, that's the end of this lesson. You want to review a little bit, that way you make sure you're ready for your exit ticket and you know how to read a dot plot.